Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor pop-ups. First, access the Elementor templates area from your WordPress dashboard. Here, you can choose to start with a blank canvas for complete creative freedom or select from many professionally designed templates. Elementor's powerful editor allows you to easily add text, images, forms, and other elements to craft your perfect pop-up. This initial setup is crucial for building an effective user experience. Next, you'll define the display conditions, which dictate where your pop-up will be visible. You have granular control, allowing you to show it across your entire site, on specific pages like your contact page, or even on posts within a particular category. Conversely, you can also exclude it from certain areas, ensuring your pop-up appears only where it's most relevant and impactful to your visitors. Now, let's configure the triggers that activate your pop-up. You can choose to display it upon page load, after a visitor scrolls down 50% of the page, or when they click a specific button. A powerful option is exit intent, which detects when a user is about to leave your site. You can also set a time delay, for example, after 10 seconds, to ensure a smooth user experience. Finally, you can implement advanced rules for even greater control. Target users based on their device, whether they are logged in or even their referral source. You can also limit how many times a user sees the pop-up, perhaps once per session, to avoid annoyance. Once satisfied, simply publish your pop-up and begin monitoring its effectiveness to refine your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.